New combination of the machine. Triangle wood drilling and turning machine. Mechanical operation principle. Double and Tenoning. Drilling. Feeding material automatically. Efficiency is about 6 pieces per minute. Marking example. Dealing set frame mortising machine. Mechanical operation principle. Double and cutting. Mortising the group at both sides. Efficiency is about 6 pieces per minute. Marking example. Application case solution for the seat frame of Tenoner. The advantage of this seat frame structure is more beautiful, more stable and saving labor costs.